All right, we just got through doing a video on this Moto Alliance Highlands bed cover, and it was on our Ranger 1000. We wanted to see if it fit on our Ranger XP 900. It is not listed by Moto Alliance to fit the 900, but we wanted to see if it did. And it does fit the bed of the Ranger 900. The only difference is the tailgate. Tailgate on the 900 is straight, and 1000 has a curve to it, and it makes the bed cover kind of stick out the rear. If you put an additional gasket right here on the inside, it hits tailgate. So let me show you how it fits. And as you see, it overlaps just a little bit, and one more round of gasket back there would seal it off. For me personally, if I wanted a bed cover for my Ranger 900, this would not be a deal breaker, but I need to emphasize that Moto Alliance does not list this to fit XP 900. This is an opinion of Hunterworks, and so if you're interested in one, then get you one for 900 as well on the 1000 page. All right, I'm sorry about this little weird edit right here, but this is the next day and we decided to take a look at our 17 XP 1000 Ranger and check fitments, see if it's like the newer one here or the XP 900 that you just saw. So let's walk over here to our 17 model XP 1000. It has the straight tailgate just like our XP 900 does. So if you decide to buy a bed cover for your 17 XP 1000, the fitment's going to be the exactly same as preceding information on XP 900. Now here's a weird one. Polaris decided in 2018 to make the new body style over here behind me only in the regular cab models. So a 2018 Crew will be our old body style and the fitment will be the same. So both Crew and regular cab in 17 is the same and 18 Crew. A little bit weird, but point is, old body style is going to fit like the XP 900. So any questions on that? Sorry, it gets a little confusing on that 18 model. Todd at Hunterworks.com.